My name is Agostino III. People call me Tino. I injured my knees about 15, 16 years ago. I fell and I thought I broke them, but I have hard bones, thank God, they're strong. And as I got older, the knees started to really go bad. And I still love to bowl and I love to dance. Thank God for Arthritis Knee and Pain Center. I can continue to do that without replacing my knees. I'm not ready to do that operation yet. And this does help. My symptoms are stiffness when I first get up from sitting after a while. Once I'm in motion, it's not too bad. If I twist it a certain way, it's very debilitating. And it just makes me want to scream. I know I need to replace the knees, but I'm not ready to really do that operation. I already have an artificial hip and I don't want to do the knees at this point. So after my first series of injections, I would come here Monday and Thursdays because those are the two nights that I like to go bowling and I compete in a league. And I did it that way because it alleviated a lot of my discomfort when I was performing on the lanes. And it helps a lot. It helps a lot if you're doing sports. So, and then, they gave me the knee braces. I have the knee braces. I wear those at home. And with the shots, it's helping straighten everything out to make me have a better gait when I'm walking and alleviate a lot of the pain for me. My knee pain was about a 10. Okay, that's how much pain I was in. And now it's about 4. So it's livable for me. Don't wait. If you're in pain, get it done now and enjoy your life, because if you can't walk, you can't enjoy your life. And I'm able to still do what I want to do. I could ride a bike, I could dance, and I could still bowl, which is important to me. It's a breeze, you're in and out, and it's painless. I wish I would have found this a long time ago because I would have done it a long time ago. And I now that I'm here and I'm being taken care of by an awesome team of people, it's really changed my life to where I can continue to do all the things that I enjoy doing.